Hello, let's review the newly released Smartview plugin for Google Sheets. Here, I have a data form that I've opened in Google Sheets. Let's begin by comparing this data form in Google Sheets to its equivalent here within the Planning and Budgeting web. This form allows us to manage our operating expenses by department. Here are operating expenses in the rows. Here is our rolling trend driver. And here's an adjustment factor that we can apply. And this drop down for the departments allows you to select any department that you want to go to. So I could quickly make a change over to engineering and see the activity for engineering, and as well change any of the selections and plan and budget that I have for engineering. So let's make a change here so I can see how that's reflected in Google Sheets as well. So I'm going to change the rolling trend to 6 months. I'm also going to drastically increase the adjustment factor here. And we'll save this back to the system. And when I save this back to the system, this will automatically recalculate the future periods. And here's the same form over in Google Sheets. We can see that the structure is the same. And if we take a look here, we can see that our driver has not yet been updated to the changes that we made just a second ago over in the web version. And that's because this was a copy that I opened up. And we can easily update that by using the refresh capability. And this refresh will pull down the latest data that's been submitted both within the web and within Excel. So it's always bringing in the latest changes to any data that have been made. And it will format that data and bring it back in that presentable format that you see here. We can also make changes directly into this, so you can use this as a great way to enter data into the application and make driver changes, for example. And we can see that I've made those changes. And what I want to do is use this shortcut here on the right hand side and submit that. What this is it's a favorites bar for the extension. And this basically is a kind of a replication of the Smartview ribbon within Excel that you might know. Now let me recap what I walked us through today. I started by opening a data form in the Planning web tool. I then opened that data form in the Google Sheets tool and shared how the Sheets Smartview plugin can be used to submit, calculate, and retrieve your plan from the application. There'll be many great features, I'm sure, to come, as this is just the first release, so stay tuned.